Self Credit Builder just got better. Let's go straight into it. Average people are seeing about a 49-point increase, typically within the first 30 to 45 days, okay? Then not only that, but you can also get your first month of credit building for free, okay? And this is if you subscribe today, and if you go ahead and start the reporting of the rent, the sale, and utility bills that you already pay. So guys, I want you to think about that. Think about the bills that you already pay, your utility bills, your cell phone bill, even some subscription services. Certain things are going to qualify to be added to your credit report multiple times to go ahead and then help you improve your credit score a lot faster, okay? So Self is now doing that, all right? Let's go ahead and learn more about this. So now, of course, Self has always been known for they were one of the first ones to come out with the concept, save money. And then of course, just by saving money, you're building credit over time, okay? And not only that, but you're able to get that money back when you're done with that. So that's one way to build the credit. The other way of building credit is, of course, just by simply paying your rent. Raise your hand in the room if you pay rent every single month, okay? And there's nothing wrong with that, especially because now you can go ahead and report that to your credit reports. Now that's 100% optional, because I know some of y'all been late on y'all rent, okay? But keep in mind, even if you've been 5 days late, 10 days late, 20 days late, even 29 days late, it does not matter. What credit reports care about, what credit bureaus care about is 30-day lates, okay? So if you've never been 30 days late on your rent, then you have nothing to worry about. I would still strongly consider, again, even if you've been, like I said, 29 days late or less, make sure that you have a good relationship with your landlord, because they're going to play a role into this process, okay? And then they most definitely are going to start reporting all of your payment history. And again, it's only considered late if you were 30 days late or more. Anything less than 30 days, you are golden, okay? So that's one thing to consider. Next, there is no hard pull, when they're looking at your credit to apply for a Self Credit Builder. They just do like an identity check. Then they have it on automatic payment, so you don't have to worry about, putting on the calendar when to pay them. It's already connected to your bank account. That way it's going to be paid every single month on time. It's an easy way to build credit, okay? You're also able to track your credit score at no additional charge. And again, I know you probably already got credit monitoring, but it's always great to have, everything in one dashboard to say, hey, this is what your score is looking like because you've done X, Y, Z. They report to all 3 credit bureaus, okay? Now, a lot of credit builders don't report to all 3 credit bureaus, unfortunately. Some of them only report to 1, some report to 2, but this one has been reporting to all 3 credit bureaus, and I believe they're in all 50 states as of now. Self was the first one to actually bring that type of concept, okay? Where you can just build credit just by saving your money every single month, okay? And like I mentioned, it's going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. And here's the thing, guys, you can cancel at any time. Now, I don't recommend that you cancel, because anytime that you stop because it's going to show up like a secured loan, like a personal loan, okay? And so when it shows up like that, that's going to fall into the installment loan category. What does that mean? That means that anything that ends in the word loan, installment loan, personal loan, auto loan, student loan, mortgage loan, anything that ends in the word loan, if you pay it off early, or if you close it early, that will drop your score. Can you cancel? Yeah, you can, but you don't want to do that. And again, I'm telling you don't want to do that, because again, anytime you pay off something early or close it early, it will affect your score, because the algorithm is looking for you to complete the term out, okay? They have 4 different plans that you guys can choose from, okay? All right, guys, so how do you apply for it? So number 1, you want to go ahead and actually apply for the credit builder account. Your money is safe and secure, and again, there's no hard pull on your credit. Number 2, you're going to pay off your credit builder in the specified amount of time. So if you have the 2-year plan, pay it off on time. If you have the 1-year plan, pay it off on time, okay? And you could choose which term, and we'll show you guys which ones are available. And then each on-time monthly payment, even if it's late, it say each on time, as if you were late, they wouldn't report that. Now, every payment in general, they're assuming you're going to be on time. You better be on time. Okay, but either way, your monthly payments will be reported to all 3 credit bureaus. And number 4, once you paid off your credit builder account, your CD, because that's what it is. It's a certificate of deposit. CDs have been out for years, okay? But the thing about it is that with CDs, the only way you could traditionally get one would be to go to a bank. So how a CD works is like this. You would go to a bank, you would say, hey, I want to open up a CD, and they give you, it's a savings account, but you can't take money out of the savings account. There's slightly better interest rate, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, whatever time you want to do it. And then once you are done with it, most people don't usually take it out. They just kind of just keep it going, okay? This concept has been out for years. However, they have never reported to the credit bureaus, because you're not really borrowing money. But Self is like, hey, you are paying yourself. You are proof that you are paying yourself. You're borrowing from yourself, not really borrowing from yourself, but you're investing in yourself. You're saving in yourself. So you should be able to see yourself improve your credit score. Hope they don't take that and use that in a commercial. But either way, let's go and look at the plans that they have. Now, what is it going to cost you? Okay, they have a couple of different plans. One plan is $25 a month for 24 months. Okay, so now all of these are going to come with an administration fee, and so total you would have paid $600. Okay, and you're going to get back $520 with a total cost of $89, okay? So that's how that works. The medium builder, this one is $35 a month. So essentially the short version is you can pay more, and then you're gonna get back more, okay? But here's the thing, I want you guys to understand something. Understand this. Paying more does not mean that your credit score is going to go up more. Let me say that again. Paying more does not mean that your credit score is going to go up more. I'm bringing it up for two reasons. Number one, I don't want you guys to be paying more to think that your credit score is going to go up a lot faster than the other plans. Number two, I don't want you to find yourself in a financial situation, because I've seen people get the higher accounts with self, and then for whatever reason, because a lot can happen in 2 years. A lot can happen in 2 years, okay? You got 2 Christmases, you got 2 birthdays, you got 2 Mother's Days to celebrate, you got 2 Thanksgivings. It's so much stuff that can happen in that short amount of time. I'm not saying you ain't got it. I'm not saying you ain't got your stuff together. All I'm saying is I would rather something happen in your life and then but I know you got $25. Everybody got $25. Even when we at our brokest, lowest level, we got $25, okay? But at the same time, instead of you paying $150 a month, guys, that's like a mini car note, okay? That's like a cable bill. Don't put yourself in that position. Now, if you want to get back to $3,000 and you want to help yourself save money, I get it. But make sure you're in a financial position to afford $150 or $48. Keep it low, guys. The term is all the same, because it didn't used to be like that. They used to have it where they had a 1-year plan. They don't have a 1-year plan no more. It's all 2 years, okay? They locking you in, okay? But either way, but that's how you guys go ahead and get the self-credit builder account. Don't forget, you can report your utility bills, you can report your rent, and you can also get their secured credit card as well too if you want to double it up, okay? Let's go ahead and talk about that. All right, guys, so then now with the secured credit builder, now that was gonna be a little bit different. This is gonna be, you gotta have an open credit builder account, so that's number one, okay? And then you gotta meet the income and eligibility requirements, which is make 3 monthly payments on time, have a $100 or more in the savings progress, add and update your income and expenses, and you can keep your account in good standing. Then you can choose your credit limit. Now it has to be $100 or more, okay? And use to secure your card and to set your limit, all right? Then you can order your card, and that's gonna come right in the mail. Once you get it, you wanna activate it, and then you wanna track and pay it on time, okay? Now here's some benefits. Again, it's another tool for building your credit, because now it's gonna show up as on-time payments. There's no additional money up front because they already got the money from the account that you already opened. You can increase your credit limit because accounts in good standing may have opportunities to increase the credit limit over time without having to give them more money, okay? And your card can be used everywhere that Visa can be accepted as well too, and so that's going to give you your buying power, okay? So again, self is starting to change the game. They're keeping up with the times. They're allowing you now to have the utility payments. They're now allowing you to have other bill payments as well too, like your rent. Guys, this is huge, okay? But no matter which way you want to go, you most definitely can learn more about this product. I got the link down in the description below, or if you're looking to apply, I got the link down in the description below. But either way, guys, we'll catch you guys on the next video.